Surprise your loved ones, especially kids, with simply good chocolate balls. You will need 100 grams of chocolate, 100 grams of butter, 100 grams of walnuts, if you wish 50 to 100 grams of powdered sugar, 100 grams of ground biscuits, and 3 tablespoons of rum or aroma. Pour the ground biscuits in a bigger bowl and add the room temperature butter. The powdered sugar you can add according to your taste. If I use a sweeter chocolate, I tend to skip it. Grate the chocolate. There is no need to melt it, because it will melt from the heat of hands. However, if you want, you can do that too. In both cases, use a chocolate that you would gladly eat anyways. I always coarsely chop the walnuts, so they can be felt once you bite in the chocolate balls. Instead of chopping, you can ground them too. Last, add the rum. That will give a special touch to the taste and smell. Knead well the dough until all the ingredients are well combined. As the chocolate melts from the heat of your hand, the dough will turn darker, as it should be. Leave the dough in the fridge for at least half hour until it becomes stiff, so you can cut it with a spoon. This way it sticks less to the hands and it is easier to form the perfect balls. Each chocolate ball roll in ground walnuts combined with a little bit of sugar. Then put them in little paper cups. Enjoy the simply good chocolate balls. Like, share the recipe, and if you are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe so you won't miss the next delicious recipe.